Mr. Kalra, thank you so very much for joining us today at DPGU School of Hospitality and Tourism. It was great having you here and the session was truly wonderful. How was your experience while interacting with the students?
Thank you for having us. Experience was really powerful. Students seem to know why they're here, firstly. It's quite inspiring to see young people ask a lot of questions, be curious about the business. Hotel management is one space where India is growing by leaps and bounds. So good to see that Pune continues to be at the forefront of educating young minds, including hospitality.
So that's great, thank you. As a national sales head for the Veen, you have seen the sales growing a lot. What would be your message to the aspiring hospitality students? Because sales is also one of the verticals where they can look forward for.
I think hospitality in general is a huge sector in the country. In the next couple of years, we should be about 15% of the GDP. Almost any skill that you pick in hospitality and tourism will be an important skill for the development of the business and the career of students as well. If they do pick sales and marketing, I see no challenge in positioning premium products like Veen or many other products in such categories to be a massive growth space. Great time to be selling premium F&B products in the country.
Thank you so very much for joining us today for the Leaders Talk Hospitality Visionary Address, and it was a pleasure having you and learning from you. Thank you so very much.
Thank you so much. It's been a pleasure.